Today we're going to be making an origami crane. So first what we're going to need to do to the paper is make it a perfect square. So to make this rectangle a perfect square, we're going to fold this corner and just line it up, line the thing up until this is perfect. And then we're going to make a crease. Yeah, press on the crease, and then we're going to cut this edge off right here, this edge. So now we have a perfect square. So now we can start. Okay, so this is the fold that we have already done right there, and that's the one that we initially made when we cut it to make it a square. So now that we've done that, we're going to fold it the other way and perpendicular to that, and we're going to flatten it. So now that you have those, you're going to flip it over to where it kind of looks like a pyramid, and then you're going to make it you're going to flip it to where it looks like a square, and you're going to flip it hamburger style, and you're going to line those up and flatten that out. And once you've done that, you're going to do the other way. So we have that, and now we're going to go this way. We're just going to line it up. So now we have this kind of pyramid shape with everything that's going on. Now that we have our little pyramid thing, we're gonna go, so we had it like this, right? And we're gonna flip over to the side where we first folded and made that little mark. And we're going to push those little lines in, and as you can see, it's making this sort of shape, and we're going to press the sides together to make this rhombus, and we're going to flatten those to make sure it's all lined up. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take this point right here, and we're going to match it along the edge right here, and we're going to fold it on the other side and do the same on the other side of it. So once you have it looking like a kite right here, a kite shape, you're going to do the same on the other side and make sure and match that up well. So this next step we're going to do is we're going to fold on the flat line that we've made. We're going to fold this triangle down. Now this is just to make it easier. So we're going to flip it over and do it the other way as well. This is just to make it easier in the next step, which you will see. So yeah. Once you've done that, you're gonna open it up. And you're going to pick the very first layer off of there, just like that. You're gonna kind of pop it up, so it kind of looks like a mouth of some sort. And you're gonna fold onto those lines that we just created. So onto those lines that we just made to make it easier to be able to fold. And you're just gonna flatten those so that it looks like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we have both sides done. You should have like a little split right here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the corner right here and fold it in to meet this. And we're gonna flatten that out, and we're gonna do it the same to the other side. We have this folded on both sides. We're gonna have a little split right here. And what we're gonna do is we're going to take just one of these, and we're gonna fold it into the center right here. And we're gonna do it just like that, and we're gonna flatten it out. And we're gonna do that on both sides here. And then we're gonna do it on both sides of the shape. We have both of these together. what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna do it right here. We're gonna take the two flaps we have right here, and we're gonna kind of fold them toward each other and pinch them together. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side, just like that. And then we're gonna flatten this out. We're gonna take, you should have creases right here, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it up like that, flatten it, and do the same on the other side. We've done this, we're gonna do the same thing that we just did with pinching the two together, and we're gonna take the first two flaps and we're gonna pinch them together like this. We're gonna take the back two flaps, we're gonna pinch them together like this. We're gonna line everything up and we're gonna flatten it out. Now to like start getting the shape of our actual swan and start, get our wings, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold one of those flaps and we're gonna fold it down. And we're gonna flatten that out, and you should be able to see the little triangle there. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So we're just gonna fold that down, just like that, and you can see our wings start to form. So now for our last couple steps, you can see it starting to take shape. We're going to get our head here, and we're gonna pull it out a little bit, and then we're just gonna press sort of as to refold it and keep it more in that that sort of shape right there. And then, so this is our little head, so we're gonna fold it forward, and then we're gonna fold on the inner line right there, that line that's already there. We're gonna press to make our head right there, and there you have it, our little origami crane. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.